Now that we've downloaded our quote, let's take a look what we have here. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice that you have the client's information. I'll just take a moment to remind you that the date of birth is better than the client's age. And that's because some carriers base the premium off the client's age, and others base the premium off the client's nearest age. Doesn't necessarily mean that age 47 in this circumstance would be less expensive than age 48. It really just determines how the individual carrier determines the premium. You'll notice that it's organized by length of term first, and then face amount. And it includes all modal premiums, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual. We recommend this is something that you save to your computer, attach to an email, and send to your client so that you have a record of what you sent.